Okay guys, so what if I told you there's an app that pays you $10 every 20 days for doing just a very little or no task at all daily? That $10 is 7,000 naira, so you'll be getting $10 every 20 days. And then if you are patient enough to leave it till 30 days, that is 1 month, you get 10,000 naira for free without doing any task at all. Nothing like referral before you earn and any other strenuous task that you might have in your head. Now in this video, I'm going to give you the full details of this app, how to register, the withdrawal method, how to place withdrawal, and every other things you need to know. And it just got better. You can't be stuck with just this $10 every 20 days. You can even increase your earnings. But then to increase your earnings, that is where the real task comes in. So this is the only task. You log into the app, click on this toggle icon that is showing claim reward, and then you wait for it to load patiently. Then once it's loaded, it should show you a list of browsers on your phone. Then you pick the one you want to use. And once you pick it, it should open and then take you to Top Messenger app. So once it's in Top Messenger app, you get the bonus, and then you go back to MyDailyCash, and then you get this notification: congratulations, you have claimed the offer successfully. So that is just basically the only task you do daily. After doing that, you have to wait till the next day again, where you get the notification to claim again. So some of you might know this app already. It's called MyDailyCash app. Now I've been on this app since last year. Can't remember the exact time I registered on it, but I know I've been on it since last year for months now, and I've tested the withdrawal working perfectly. Now formally, withdrawal method is only by PayPal. Before now, it was only PayPal, which was very discouraging because we know the situation of PayPal in Nigeria, the restrictions, bans, and all those stuffs. So it just got better because they added a new payment feature. They now allow you to receive your payments via Bitcoin wallet by simply linking your Bitcoin wallet address. For those of you that are crypto gurus, you know what Bitcoin is. But if you don't know what Bitcoin or cryptocurrency is, check the top of this video. You are going to get a link to one of my videos explaining to you what cryptocurrencies are and which crypto wallet app you are to use. Simple and easy. How to set up your crypto wallet account, get a Bitcoin wallet address that you can link to this place, and withdraw your cash and even convert it to cash. Everything simple and easy. So that is basically all you have to do every day. You just claim it, get your 50 credits daily, and lock up. Now 50 credits equals to $0.5, so therefore 100 credits equals to $1, and you need a minimum of 1,000 credits, which is $10, in order to place a withdrawal. So approximately it will take you 20 days to get there without referral or performing any of these tasks. So if you want to increase your earnings or earn more, here are tasks on the page. You can click on any of these to do the task, or you can also refer. As you can see here, referral. For each referral you get 50 credits. You can even make up to this $10 in a day by simply referring. Do the maths. So before you can start earning, all you have to do is sign up for an account. I'll leave a link in the description box of this video. There is a referral code there also, which you copy and you provide it when you are asked for during the point of your signing up on the app. Now that code will enable you to get $1 upon your sign up. You can actually sign up without that code, but if you sign up without the code, you will be starting from 0 credits instead of getting 100 credits automatically. Now if you listen closely and follow the steps I give you exactly, you will get a good result. So pay attention. I can't create a new account in this video to show you how new registration is done, because I don't want to log out this my account, because logging in always has an issue. If you want to log in, it can stress you, and mind you, if you want to register also, it can stress you a bit, but the goal is don't give up. For some of you, it won't stress you at all. So once you register, you see this place here on my screen where you are seeing next daily rewards in so amount of hours. It is going to show you a button to connect Top Messenger app. So all you have to do is click on that button. This is the icon of Top Messenger app. So once you click on it, it will take you to Play Store where you download Top Messenger app. Once you download Top Messenger app, the next thing you have to do is connect this your Top Messenger app to this MyDailyCash app, so that you can start getting credits from it. Let me show you what it looks like. This is Top Messenger app on my screen here. If I go here like this, you can see the icon. So this is what you have to see on Play Store, and you can see my messages are here. Top Messenger app. It's also a messaging app. just like your normal messenger on your phone to receive messages. So one of the requirements to linking Top Messenger to MyDailyCash is setting this app to be your daily or default SMS app. Once you connect it successfully, you get this icon. You are earning money now. So to connect it, you click on this three icon here, click on this earn money, and then you get a prompt. Mine is connected already, that's why I've seen this. But if yours is not connected, you get a prompt. You see set Top Messenger as default SMS and some other permissions which you have to give it. For some people, this registration will go through easily. For others, the connection might give you a tough time, but just make sure you have at least 8 naira or 4 naira on your SIM, because when you are connecting, it will deduct 4 naira or 8 naira for sending SMS. For others, it might be free like that. So just give it a try anyway. So once you are connected, you get this, and once it's done, that first step where I was claiming daily rewards, you follow that step to start claiming daily rewards every day. So alright guys, that is that about that. I've explained it all. If you have any issues, please drop it in the comment section. I will reply one by one. Any issues you have, any issues you face on this app, and let me know your thoughts about it so far, and especially for those of you that know this app already. This is Tonio's Tech.